Hello everyone, and welcome back to Technically Unsure, where I'm not really sure what I'm doing technically. So this is going to be a very short video. I know I keep saying on every single video I end up being 20, 30, 40 minutes video, but I promise it's going to be absolutely very short video. I just received something in the mail and I haven't opened it, so we're gonna open it together. And that's going to be this. There was the label, obviously. I just removed it, so it's still sticky. There was another one over here, so I removed that, but that's literally it. Let's open this up. That's the Society Awards. That's, I think, the company that did this. YouTube Creator at Society Awards. That's the, and seems like inspected by and packaged by Rick. Thank you, Rick. So, and then there's this letter. Do you remember your first subscriber? I believe I do, because I think that was my wife. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that was. Hundreds, I remember when it happened. I just don't know who it was. Thousands, definitely I remember, but I again don't know who it was. And you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber, yes. And your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learn about you through a friend, and so on. We're proud to honor impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers. We know that you have many stories to share with community, so keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you will do next, and we're here to support you along the way. Thank you very much, YouTube. This is it. This is it. I'm excited. I can't wait. So there is this. It's absolutely beautiful and gorgeous, honestly. Presented to Technically Unsure for passing 100,000 subscriber. I wasn't expecting really getting this. So there is two holes in there. I guess that's for hanging. Recognize your team. Share recognition by allowing your team to purchase a personalized creator. Okay. On that note, I just want to thank you all for subscribing and watching the videos I make. I really created the channel, out of boredom, to be honest, very honest. I just created it out of boredom. I have a day job. It's mainly related to cybersecurity. Yeah, I was doing a lot of, SBC, playing with SBCs and things of that sort. So I just decided, basically, let's give it a shot. And now we are here after 6 months. So thanks a lot again for this. And I want to make this video a little bit purposeful. So I want to have this video to have a purpose. So I've done reverse engineering videos, and seems like the Android reverse engineering video has the most viewer count, if I'm not wrong, from last time when I checked. So it seems like you guys really like either Android reverse engineering or just reverse engineering in general. So I want to use this video to understand more what you guys like, and based on that create more videos like that. If you like Android reverse engineering videos, please let me know down below. If you want general reverse engineering videos, also please let me down below, like reverse engineering a malware or a piece of software. Or if you want me to do, again, as I said, Android reverse engineering. I got some messages related iOS reverse engineering. I'm gonna be very honest. I have absolutely no clue whatsoever. I don't use Apple products, and almost never used, honestly. Not a big fan. No hate, no hate. You do what you like. It's just me, personal preference. I don't like Apple products. I don't know Apple reverse engineering, iOS application reverse engineering. So if you want Android reverse engineering, Windows, Linux, please let me know. And also, if you want me to do certain things with the SBCs that I review, computer builds, or I had some hacking and cybersecurity related videos, please also let me know. I also did one retro computing. I had one very old laptop which I took out and unboxed it, and I also did show everyone the old hacking tools that I used to use back in the day, I don't know, 15 years ago or so. I want to use this video first of all to thank you all for subscribing and watching the videos, and it just gave me more motivation, honestly. If I wasn't here and this channel wasn't at this point, I might have stopped along the way. I just, as I said, started it out of boredom. I didn't know we were gonna get here. So we are now here. Let me know what you guys like more. Reverse engineering, cybersecurity, retro computing, or SBC reviews and unboxing and NAS or networking stuff. I promised one time to show you guys how to do like a full setup, like setting up a home automation home networking setup, basically setting up a firewall and then a router and then like a NAS and running a bunch of home multimedia stuff in there, like pfSense, right? That's what I use in my home network. I use pfSense first as, from the Ethernet. From my ISP, the cable gigabit Ethernet comes plugged into my pfSense. Then pfSense is where I have my VLANs and distributed to my whole network. I have a segmented Wi-Fi for insecure devices and things that I buy or I use for SBCs, like I get these Chinese SBCs and stuff. Sometimes I always connect these things to my insecure network first. I just want to know what is going on in there. So yeah, those VLAN segmentation, the firewall, the pfSense, and I run all this in a virtualization Proxmox, and I have TrueNAS and a lot of containers. So if you guys are into it, there are so many good channels honestly out there. I really thought it's going to be redundant, but let me know if you guys also want videos like that. So based on the feedback on this video, I'm going to make a little bit changes to the content type, and we'll try to deliver better and better videos. Again, thanks for watching and subscribing. And, I'm very happy to having this many subscribers, and hopefully you guys are enjoying the content. So thanks again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.